Good morning. Thank you for joining us for our second day of Week 3 distance learning. Remember, we started Module 9 from farm to table, and we're reading to answer the question, how does food get to your table? Our learning mindset is planning ahead. Let's review the suffixes we learned about yesterday. Remember, when a word it has the suffix y added, it means in a way that is. So chewy, in a way that is required to chew. Muddy, in a way that is full of earth mixed with water. Curly, in a way that is shaped in spirals. Full means having or full of. So playful, full of play. Handful, a quantity that fills your hand, or a person that requires a lot of attention to with regards to their behavior. And forceful, using a lot of force, having or full of force. Ly, in a way that is. So deeply is in a way that is deep. Gently, in a way that is gentle. Simply, in a way that is simple. One who. So a winner is someone who wins. A learner is someone who learns. And a writer is someone who writes. Or also means one who. A vendor is someone who sells. A mentor is someone who advises or guides. And a janitor is someone who is in charge of the maintenance in a building. Let's review. Playful, handful, forceful. Full means being full of. Chewy, muddy, curly. Adding the suffix y means in a way that is. Deeply, gently, simply, in a way that is. One who is. Winner, learner, writer. Vendor, one who is, one who sells. Monitor, one who monitors, or one who oversees. Janitor, one who manages a building. So remember, our suffixes are full and, which means having or full of. Ly and e, which mean in a way that is. And or, which mean one who. Let's try blending and reading for fluency. Remember, the suffix is a word part added to the end of the word. For some base words, there are spelling changes before adding the suffix, such as dropping the final e, or changing a y to an I, or doubling the final consonant. So we have fun, funny. Use, useful. Glad, gladly. Fun, funny is an example of doubling the final consonant. We had fun with one N, funny with two N's. Report, reporter. Quick, quickly. Paint, painter. No spelling changes there. Help, helpful. Noise, noisy. Harm, harmful. Notice, what did we have to do to noise to add the suffix y? That's right, we had to drop the final e. Direct, director. Ranch, rancher. Soft, softly. No spelling changes there. Edit, editor. Taste, tasty. Narrate, narrator. What did we have to do to taste before adding the y? That's right, we had to drop the silent e. The visitor was careful to memorize exactly where she parked her car. Which words use our suffixes? If you answered visitor and exactly, you were correct. Thank you for reviewing our suffixes. Next, we'll be reviewing our text.